Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from your Bank of America account to Barclays in 2025. Whether you're paying for international expenses, supporting family abroad, or just managing your finances across borders, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and hassle-free. I'm excited to walk you through it, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Bank of America login details, the recipient's Barclays account information, including the account number, sort code, and SWIFT code for international transfers, as well as any required personal ID for security purposes. Oh, and keep an eye on potential fees. Wire transfers can cost anywhere from $15 to $50 depending on the amount and currency. Step 1. Log into your Bank of America online banking or mobile app. If you're using the app, open it and enter your credentials securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for options like Wire Transfer or International Transfer. That's your gateway. Step 2. Select the type of transfer. Choose Wire Transfer for sending to Barclays, especially if it's international. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Double-check everything: the Barclays account number, bank address, and SWIFT code to avoid any delays or errors. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency if it's a foreign exchange. Bank of America might offer real-time exchange rates, so review them carefully. Then, confirm your personal details and review the transaction summary for accuracy. Step 4. Authorize the transfer. This usually involves a security code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, hit send. The money should arrive in the recipient's Barclays account within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the banks and any holidays. A quick tip: always monitor your account for confirmations and keep records of the transaction. If you're new to this, consider contacting customer support at either bank for assistance. There you have it. That's how you send money from Bank of America to Barclays in 2025. It's easier than you think, but stay vigilant about security. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.